friends. My name is Vinay. I am from UC. Today, I am going to explain about Indian stock market in NSE and BSE. I will share my PPT. These Indian stock markets. Before going to the topic, let us discuss about what is stock market. A stock market is a place where the stocks and securities various companies are traded. Stock exchange means anybody of individuals, whether incorporated or not, constituted for the purpose of assisting, regulating, or controlling the business of buying or selling or dealing in securities. Let us discuss about the history of the stock market. In 16th century, Dutch East Indian Company established the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, and they are the first company to issue stocks and bonds. Let us discuss about come to the Indian stock market. In Indian stock market, we have two indices. One is BSE and NSE. BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange. NSE means National Stock Exchange. In basically, BSE is established. BSE is the oldest indices to compare the NSE. BSE was established in 1875 as the Native Share and Stock Brokers. Let us discuss about the NSE. NSE is the newest indices. It established in 1991. Basically, what about to go to the briefly in BSE and NSE. BSE is nothing but it is only permitted to the Mumbai. What are which is the trading is done in only Mumbai. National Stock Exchange means trading which is done throughout the India is called the National Stock Market. Basically, in BSE we have 100 stocks, 100 stocks like 100 company stocks, Reliance, ICIC, HDFC Bank like that. In NSE we have only 50 stocks, 50 stocks only. Let us discuss about the Sensex. In BSE, indices is predefined as Sensex. In NSE, predefined is Nifty. Before going that, how to trade? If you want to trade in stock market or Indian stock market or American stock market, anywhere we want to trade, before that we need have one account. It is called Demat account. What is the full form of the Demat account? Dematerialization. Dematerialization is called short term is called Demat. Uh, Whichever we are buying or selling our stocks, the transactions will be stored in Demat account. Let us discuss about the trading timings when they open, when they close. In basically Saturday and Sundays, there will be holidays and national holidays. Also, stock markets will be closed. And basically, daily timings is normally market open in 9 a.m. and closes in 3:30 p.m. We can do the trading in offline or online. Online is very comfortable to compare the offline because online they will be provide one domain. We just place our orders in buy or sell orders in placing of anywhere in the world, but we need only net. You might know sometimes some stocks will be rises abnormally and decreases. These may causes due to the news of the company and demand on supply of the stocks. This is the short selling and buying, security breaks, clearing and settlements, trading required. If you want to trade in NSE or BSE, we need only PAN card and Demat account, subscription of the online broking houses like Zerodha, Upstart, and Angel Broking. These are the requirements to trade the stock market. He is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He is the biggest big bull of Indian markets. He started his life with 10,000. He invested in stock markets and he make money thousands of crores now. He is the same as Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. His name is Rakesh Damani. He is the owner of and founder of DMart. Thank you.